Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share the latest news about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. If you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about new tech, this is the video for you. Let's start with an overview. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to launch on April 20, 2025, and it's packed with exciting new features. Now, let's talk about the Vertical and Beyond leaked video. This video has given us a sneak peek into some of the Mavic 4 Pro's most exciting features. The video confirms that the camera module will be able to shoot vertical video and tilt beyond 90 degrees. This capability is a game changer for content creators who want to capture unique and dynamic shots. The video also highlights the improved range of motion of the camera module, allowing for more creative possibilities. One of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its redesigned triple camera module. This larger and more bulbous module is designed for improved image quality and a greater range of motion. This means you'll be able to capture stunning visuals from various angles and perspectives. The enhanced camera system promises to take aerial photography to the next level, providing sharper and more vibrant images. The inclusion of a LiDAR module enhances obstacle detection, making the drone safer to fly in complex environments. This advanced technology ensures that the drone can navigate around obstacles with ease. Whether you're flying in a dense forest or an urban area, the LiDAR module will help you avoid collisions and maintain a smooth flight. The aerodynamic propellers have been reworked for quieter operation and longer flight time, extending up to 50 minutes. This allows for more extended flights without the need for frequent recharges, perfect for capturing long aerial shots. The quieter operation also means less disturbance to wildlife and people, making your flights more discreet. The improved gimbal allows for a wider range of motion, addressing previous limitations and providing more stability during flight. This ensures smoother and more stable footage, even in challenging conditions. The improved gimbal will be particularly beneficial for capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in windy conditions. In terms of storage, the standard model comes with 512 gigabytes, while the Cine variant offers a massive 2 terabytes. This ample storage space means you can capture more high-resolution footage without worrying about running out of space. The increased storage capacity is perfect for professional filmmakers and photographers who need to store large amounts of data. New features include high-resolution fisheye lenses for obstacle avoidance and a return-to-home sequence without GPS. These enhancements improve the drone's navigation capabilities and provide peace of mind during flights. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro features a redesigned triple camera module, LiDAR module, aerodynamic propellers, vertical video capabilities, improved gimbal, substantial onboard storage, and new features like high-resolution fisheye lenses and GPS-free return-to-home. The expected launch date is April 20, 2025. We can't wait to see how these features will elevate aerial photography and videography. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. What features are you most excited about? How do you think it will compare to other drones on the market? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.